Hello. Welcome back. Playing some more Silksong today. So excited. Last time we left off, we got to something that seems like the surface. IDK, it doesn't seem cave-like. There was birds and everything. And right now we're in an inn of some sorts. There was someone we had to talk to in the inn too. So we'll start off with that. Let's go. Place is called Halfway Home. Does that mean we're only halfway up? If we're on the surface, does that mean there's a mountain to climb? Wow. I guess we do still have a while to go. Gonna need to get used to the movement again.
Buenera.
They called a hit on bugs now. Oh. Is this like the hunter's journal? Yeah. Wow. Was wondering when we'd get that.
Nesvir.
I just hope. So, in Hollow Knight, when you killed something for the first time, a marking would come up, right? I hope they use the same marking, or something cool like that again, for this game. Oh, this is new. No longer list. I kinda prefer the list TB8 greater than. A lot easier to just go down. Oh. So we will fight them at least one more time. I told you they're the hornet of this game. HMMMMMMMMM. A gate and sleeping enemies. HMMMMMMMM. Totally not a trap. Totally not going to fight now. Oh wow. Who could have seen that coming? Blue. Need to get used to these movements again. Took me like a solid few seconds to use my spear. Not used to having the cast be on F. And Natter. That hunter's mark is acceptable, I guess. Not as cool as Hollow Knight's, but could be a lot worse. At least we got some more beads. I am so poor. Those bells are good practice. You know, I like how the Bell Beast tunnels are all curved. And not like Hollow Knight's. I like how they made it unique. Yeah, my secret sense was tingling. Hollow Knight trained me well. Oh. That's a bear trap, isn't it? Poor Bug got caught. We should be on guard to make sure we don't suffer the same fate. Yeah. I need a Lumafly lantern or something. Is that a rat? Ew. Beads. We might be close to the ant farm, with all this dirt. But TBH, this dirt just reminds me of Dung Defender lol greater than. No. That heal was so close. Ew. That was scary. Please. Don't die. Could be worse enemies, I guess. They're just big. Where am I? Also, can we just point out how cool it is for me to walk past this? And it moves. Like, that's cool. Why does this sound not safe? Why do I feel not safe? Is the mossy equivalent of this game gonna be here? Like giant rat. Oh. Okay. Poor bug. Are these even bugs still? Where's my cocoon? GRRR. I think past it. Just gotta sprint, I guess. Woo. Let's go. Yeah. An all match for US. We got the skills. Get good. Another Bell Beast station. I am so lost. I feel like I'm in a whole new area. But didn't even get a map for the last one. There is something up there. Ew, what is this? Wait. No. AHHH. IT skipped. No. I'm actually sad now. Let me see if I can find it on YOUTUBE or something. One sec. Interesting. Very, very interesting. It's like they're being drained of their silk. Or something else. This a fast travel place too? I feel like we shouldn't be here yet. Haven't even finished exploring the other place. So let's head back. I am wondering what the significance is of all the bells though. Still poor. Hey. Greymore. I still have a feeling this is where Greymorner is from. And I feel like we're gonna see the delicate flower too. Maybe see its origins. This area is very piratey. There was a bench here before, from the looks of it. Because that background is normally with the benches. Who's the bug with the eerie laugh? Snip, snip, snip. Beads. We do like our beads here. Oh no. Is this a pogo challenge? Yeah. I don't think they hurt you though, at least. Never mind. How I do it the first time. Lol. Beads. Yano. I'm still trying to figure out if this is a prequel or a sequel, because Hornet says she's not a child anymore in this game. But we don't know the age of Hornet in Hollow Knight. What we can tell, however, is that the skills Hornet is learning in this game is the same skills she uses in Hollow Knight. So that makes me think this is a prequel. Same that her dress is more of a vibrant red than in Hollow Knight. But that might just be design choice to make her stand out in her own game. IDK, I want this to be a sequel TBH. Especially since she's meant to be the protector of the Hellenist. And she doesn't seem so urgent to get back there. But this does kind of feel like an origin story, with the Weavers, and her learning to use her silk. IDK. Probably won't be explained TBH. Probably need someone like Mossback to make another hour-long video of how it fits into the lore. I hope it's a sequel though. Beads. I want to say something, but don't want to jinx myself greater than. Oh well, am a streamer. Gotta say my thoughts right? Was just gonna say am no longer dirt poor. Watch me die twice in a row now. Candles. Scissors too. Chapel of the Reaper. Doesn't sound like a fun cult. Ow. No beats for killing them. Scam. First we must respect the fallen. Now we can rob them greater than. No, I'm kidding, greater than. This is interesting though. Oh. Okay, Hornet. No need to stab a dead body. Like crazy. Oh. Interesting. Whoosh. Still kinda crazy though, greater than. Like, how do you know to stab that body? So, it was called a crest, right? Not a tool. And it looks like the marking has changed now too. All pointy. Like the Reaper's mark. Interesting. That's really cool actually. I don't really know what Hunter's crest does. They don't really explain it well. Probably nothing TBH. That is really cool though. If Hunter's crest does do something, I would like it if they didn't force a new crest onto us. Like wait for us to get to bench and change it ourselves. So we gone all the way left. Let's try going right now. What is happening? What was that? What is really cool though? Our attacks are different now. Like completely. Very cool. So I get it now. It's not heavy as in slower or damage. This one is just pokey pokey. And this one is slushy slushy, with more silk. This one will be easier to pogo with probably. And more silk, so yay. I was kinda fond of pokey pokey though Q. Wanted to learn the pogo a bit better too. But that extra silk is just too good. This is interesting too. A town of some sorts maybe. Imagine I was able to hit that. Like all great slash in Hollow Knight. Team Cherry learned I guess though greater than. Well, that was hard. Pretty ropes. Fight time. We in the crow's nest now. HMMM. A gate. In an open room. We've seen this before. Can't possibly be a fight. Hudagas. Maybe that ore is what makes them drop more silk. That was close, oh. That's fun. New pogo is fun greater than. Bouncy bouncy. I hear the flea. Need to rescue the flea. I got you. Okay. Got a return. I doubt that's the end of the fleas. But maybe we get a reward now. And a new quest. Or maybe they move their location. And then we can get a new quest from there. Either way, we should go check up on them. Imagine trying to do those pogos with the Pokecrest BTWOO. Like the amount of deaths. Just from missing a pogo. Oh yeah. Or being silly like me greater than. Interesting. So we can still pogo climb. Did feel like we were moving a little to the side each time though. Which makes sense for Hornet. Weavers. Maybe. Looks like they're structure type. Yeah. Threadstorm. Oh. I see. But we have to remove the spear then. Sad. And see what I mean? This seems like a prequel. Because she's learning all the skills she uses in Hollow Knight. IDK. That was the perfect time to test the new ability actually. Well. Can still test it, I think. Wow. Okay. But yeah. Kinda need or get close. I almost face first dived into them. Tried to crowd surf them or something. I think we're done with the other place. Silken curse. So, it's against their will. We'll save them then. I'm sure of it. It's already been done. I don't like this area. I don't know what it is about it. I just don't like it. Ew. Those are pretty. Bench. Can you hit all three at once? I think so. But it's hard. Gotta like hit the lower two. And then boost up to top one. Insane swing. Did I do IT? If I did, get ready for a short. Oh no. Boss fight XX. WLP. Time to test this new ability, I guess. No. I feel like I was doing so well too, for just being thrown into that. That last attack is hard though. Need to make room fast. I clicked and not F. Because I'm so used to Hollow Knight abilities. Easy. GG. Weaver. Weaver. Finally. More power. What do I get this time? Yes. Yes. Finally. Finale. Yes. Wall climb. Modest claw greater than. I'm so happy. Means I don't need to replace my skill either again. Yes. Yes. Which BTW, the skill did come in handy for that fight, I will admit that. Though, the spear might have cleared more of the walls. I think the thread thingy was better for dealing with the minions though. So, yeah. Yes. This feels so good now. Wait, what? We can dash upwards. Interesting. I wanna keep playing. So glad we got wall climb now. Such a good ability. And a good way to end off the stream. Anyways, thank you for joining me. Really hope you enjoyed. Remember to look after yourself. And have a lovely rest of your day. I'll see you again later, KK. Bye bye. Bye ye.